Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will discuss top SEO ranking factors. So the first most and the top of the list factor is optimized high quality content. So if your website has a high quality content, engaging content for the visitors, for the viewers, definitely your website will have more engaging time from the visitors, and you will get more and more ranking in Google. The second important aspect is high quality backlinks. Backlinking is one of the most important section for getting a technique to get higher page rank or page authorities. So it is very important aspect. So you can create backlinks by for example listing some other websites to your website, and then in response you can tell them that they should link your website in their website, and in this way, and then posting links on classified websites, yellow pages, and a lot of other techniques are there for backlinkings. Then the third thing is a Google Rank Brain. So what is Google Rank Brain? Google Rank Brain is actually an AI from the Google, from which Google will analyze the most relevant content according to the search term. So it is a very useful thing and very useful AI system. So if you will focus the relevant keywords to the content, you will be ranked higher and higher in Google. And one more important factor for ranking is dwell time. So dwell time is also very important factor, and dwell time is a time that how much time a single visitor will spend on your website, for example in minutes and hours, etc. So that time will also affect your website. So CTC click through you can see for example somebody will come to Google, they will search a certain keyword and they will find out your website, and if they click on your website it will increase your website's CTC. So these are certain factors: dwell time, Google Rank Brain, CTC, CPC, etc., which will increase your ranking through the time in a long term analysis. Then one more important factor is mobile friendliness, because nowadays there are a lot of devices like iPads and mobiles, and usually 70% people are actually shifting from desktop or laptop to mobiles for ordinary browsing for on this Google. So for that people, your website should be mobile friendly, and it is also a very important factor in ranking. Then your content should have videos as well. It is also a very important factor for getting higher ranking in the Google. So these are some 6 important factors which we have discussed in this video. From the next section we will actually learn deeply every section in deep, and then in the final step we will finalize our main website SEO. Thank you very much. Goodbye.